Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Technicolor CineStyle onto your Canon DSLR. It's a good alternative to C-Log, but of course it's never going to be the same. But you know, if you don't have C-Log, you gotta do what you can do. So, for this tutorial, to do this, you're going to need your Canon DSLR. I am using my dad's 1100D for this tutorial. Then you're going to need your good old PC. You know, of course, micro USB, my mini USB to USB-A cable. And finally, you're going to need the EOS utility software on your PC. So, here we are. I'm on Technicolor's website in the CineStyle page. And now we're going to download the .zip archive. Now open it, and you'll find these folders. Just extract into a folder of CineStyle. And you'll see once you've unzipped the archive, you're going to have these 4 files. This is not important. This can be useful, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. So this is the LUT, which you're going to need to use in the video editor, but I'm going to link some converted files in the description because the LUT that is inside this archive is in a format that is not recognized by Premiere Pro, for example. And finally, this is what we need. This is actually the picture style file. So, in order to install this into the camera, you're going to need the EOS utility. I also linked a video in the description that tells you how to install EOS utility without having the camera's original CD. Okay, I turned on the camera, now it should appear. Okay, let's just restart EOS utility. Sometimes it behaves like this, and you can see that now it recognized the camera. Okay, now you want to go into this remote shutter, and now you just want to go into photo styles. You choose any one of the 3 user-defined styles, and this, basically this. Now you go here, and you go into obviously the folder that you went in before, and you select this. Perfect. Now press OK. And that's going to do it. Now your camera has the CineStyle video style. See, now if you go into the picture styles, you'll find here CineStyle in the slot it shows. I can't really show you how it looks because I don't have a lens. The only lens I have is currently here on this camera. So you're gonna have to trust me on that, but trust me, it will work. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.